What's wrong?
Forward goes perfect, but when I do backwards, it stalls.
Alright, so I got a new body for my Tamiya Hornet. The old one was in rough shape. Actually, let me grab that out of mine. Yeah, this is the old one. Not that bad. I mean, I've had much worse bodies, but the wing was constantly falling off, and that was not easily repairable. I mean, you can repair just about anything with some shoe goo, but I wanted it to look decent. So yeah, I just used a color that I still had some left as far as the Lexan paint, and it turned out okay. I like it with this color. I mean, it's not the blue that I think it's supposed to be, but I think it works. I always loved that sticker. That was fun to put on. I'm thinking about putting a sticker over the wing screw or bolt there, but I don't know. I also put a little light up top here. It's not exactly, yeah, there we go. So that works. Just plug it into the ESC. Got my man in there. Also got some new tires because my old ones were really bald. Let me see if I have them around here somewhere. Can't find them. But anyway, got these new tires. They were a pain in the rear to get on. If you ever have to do this, these are like 3-part wheels with a centerpiece. That's the difficult part. You have to soak the tires in hot water for like at least 4 or 5 minutes to stand a chance. And grease them up with some whatever you got, dishwashing, soap works. But it took me quite a few attempts of getting that water hot and trying it out. And you put the wheel in at a 90-degree angle. So, you know, you've got the tire here, turn the wheel like this and push it in. And then once it gets in there, you'll be all right. Front tires I haven't replaced. I mean, they're all right. Actually, they could probably use replacing as well, but I wasn't too concerned. Other thing, I don't know if I can get these on camera. See those little springs there? Let's see. Yeah, you see that? The axle springs. Before, they were shot on this. I think one was completely missing. At first, I just pulled one out. I didn't even know what the heck it was. I got this car used, by the way. But anyway, I've ordered those. They were like, you know, $5 or something shipped. So now, I actually have working suspension. Let's get a decent shot of that. And you can see I put some spacers back there that I just had lying around. I might actually remove a couple because it might be a bit too stiff now. I don't know. We'll have to see how it reacts when I remove a couple, because right now, going down the driveway, this car tends to shimmy a bit and the rear end can come out. No, because it starts going a little bit. It's still way more drivable than it was before I had the axle springs in, and especially with the new tires, it's night and day, honestly. But it's a fun car to drive. These things are fun. Like, sometimes having a car that doesn't have all the best suspension and a brushless setup and all that, there's just something fun about driving such a thing and seeing it get over obstacles and so forth. Especially because with these Tamiya kits, you normally build them yourself. Yeah, I forgot I have that light wired up. But yeah, this is what's going on the inside. I think that's the original servo that came with the car used. I can't remember. It's got a torque-tuned Mabuchi motor, RS 540, of course. It's got one of those Tamiya censored brushless compatible or capable ESCs under the man there. Of course, I'm running this brushed. It works well. Dean's plug. I'm sticking with nickel metal batteries with this. They work. I mean, I've got LiFos and I use them in other cars. But anyway, so this is it. Show you some footage of it going. But that is my restored, somewhat, Hornet.
If
Yeah.
I run there or in the garage, it's safe. Dad,
Yeah?
that
What? Just, I don't know. It's a piece of hardware to something. Can you film it for a bit?
is... No.
Alright. You want to drive it?
No. I want you to teach me.